Welcome to the N-Gauge tutorial for exporting yield data from Operations Center. Make sure you have a CropScan Ag Cloud account set up to import data to N-Gauge. To export yield data from Operations Center, go to Analyze, then select Work Analyzer. From the drop-down menus, select Harvest, Year, and Crop Type to export. Then select Share Export. Select Work Data, Export to Organization Files. You can label file, then select Export Work Data. Then go to Files. Data export may take some time to appear in files depending on data volume. When your files have been packaged for export, you will see the files available by pressing on the tab labeled Other. This will display the file or files ready for export. Search and select the file you wish to export. Then press the yellow Download Files button to begin exporting the files to your Downloads folder on your PC. Then go to the CropScan Ag Cloud portal, app.cropscanag.com, and log in to your account. Go to Import and Sync, then select the JD Sync and Import. Select the Harvest Data Year, then select Import.zip file. Select the zip file that has just been downloaded and select Open. Once file is ready, then select Upload and the data will be loaded into the portal. Once uploaded, the data will be processed by the server and appear in N-Gauge after processing. Thank you for joining us, and find more tutorials at our website, cropscanag.com.